Okay, now this sugar, if you're going to look at this, the physical property is dry, right? But when it comes to baking, sugar is under the category of wet ingredients. Why is that so? Because sugar dissolves during the baking process and turns into liquid state. And in order for the sugar to be distributed evenly in the cake batter, it is better for us to combine this sugar in our wet ingredients so that it will dissolve easily once we bake it. So the sugar will be evenly distributed in your cake. So remember, in baking, sugar is always part of the wet ingredients.